Today we are reading the book Monkey Needs to Listen.
Monkey needs to listen.
Okay, what is it? It is a book about paying attention by Sue Gravis and Trevor Dunton. Let's see what this book is about. Okay, the book is about paying attention. Monkey needs to listen. Okay, let's see who is here. Mr. Croc was very busy. Who is he? Mr. Croc. He was in the shed at Jungle School. He was trying to think of some good ideas for the after school club. Mr. Croc was in charge of the after school club. So, what is after school club? They do some creative activities in the after school club. Yes. He liked to think of interesting and exciting things for everyone to do. He found some old wheels and some wood. The wheels and the wood gave him a good idea. He went to tell everyone about it. Okay, there are wheels here. He found some old wheels and some wood. And then he had a good idea. Let's see what his idea is. Yes? Mr. Croc told everyone. Okay, here everyone is sitting still to listen. Everyone sat still and listened carefully to his idea. But Monkey did not sit still and he did not listen. Mr. Croc told everyone his good idea. What is the monkey doing here? He's playing with his aeroplane, his paper aeroplane. He's not listening to what Mr. Croc is saying. He told them they were going to work in teams. He said each team was going to build a go-kart out of the wood and the wheels. What are they going to build with the wheels and the wood? They're going to build a go-kart. What are they going to build? Go-kart. Yes. He said that when the go-karts were finished, they would race them around the swamp. Well, what are they going to do with the go-karts? They are going to race. What are they going to do? Racing. Yes. Then Mr. Croc asked, who would like to drive the go-karts? Everyone wanted to drive them. Yes?
Yes.
Everyone put up their hands. So now what to do? So what Mr. Croc did? He had a good idea. He put everyone's name in a hat. First he pulled out Elephant's name. Elephant was very excited. Then he pulled out Monkey's name. He told Monkey that he was going to drive a go-kart too. Monkey was also very excited now. Yes, he was going to race with the elephant. Mr. Croc said that everyone needed to listen to the instructions. He said it is important to listen carefully. He said everyone had to work as a team. They had to work together to build the go-karts. Okay, now they had to work together to build go-karts and they were going to work as a team. He said they had to check they were safe to race too. Everyone listened carefully. Everyone was listening carefully. But Monkey did not listen at all. What is he doing? He's playing on the tree. He's playing with balls. He's not listening to the instructions at all. Then Mr. Croc gave everyone special jobs to do. Lion had to build the go-kart. What was Lion supposed to do? He was supposed to build the go-kart. Hippo had to put on the wheels. What was Hippo going to do? Put on the wheels. Little Lion had to fix the steering wheel. Monkey had to check the wheels and the steering wheel. Mr. Croc said it was important to check them carefully to make sure the go-kart was safe to race. But Monkey did not listen. Monkey was still not listening to the instructions. Soon the go-kart was ready. Hippo had to remind Monkey to check the wheels. But Monkey did not listen. He did not check the wheels. Little Lion had to remind Monkey to check the steering wheel. But Monkey did not listen. Soon it was the day of the race. Everyone was excited. Monkey and elephant lined up at the start. Mr. Croc said they needed to listen to the instructions. He told them, what did he tell them? Not to go too fast round the corner of the swamp. But as usual, Monkey did not listen. He sped off in his go-kart. He sped off fast. He did not listen to any instructions that Mr. Croc gave him. And then what happened? Monkey went too fast round the corner of the swamp. The wheels began to wobble. Oh my God. And the steering wheel began to shake. Why? Why did this happen? Because Monkey did not check them. Suddenly, the steering wheel broke off. The go-kart began to skid and it shot up into the air. It spun round and round and then it shot into the swamp with a loud plop. And Monkey went inside the swamp. Oh no! Everyone ran to help Monkey. They pulled him out of the swamp. He was very wet and smelly. Then they pulled out the go-kart. It was bent and twisted. Mr. Croc was cross. He was very angry. Monkey needs to listen. What did they say? Everyone said. Monkey did not listen to instructions. He did not listen to any of the instructions given by Mr. Croc. He did not listen to check his wheels, to check the wheels of the go-kart or the steering wheel. And because he did not listen, he had this accident. He fell in the swamp. Yes. So now Monkey was sorry. He had learnt his lesson. He was sorry that he had not listened. He was sorry that he had not checked the wheels and the steering wheel. He was sorry that he had gone too fast. Worst of all, he was sorry that he had crashed and spoiled the race for everyone. Now he was feeling sorry. Why? Because he did not listen. Then Elephant had a good idea. He asked Mr. Croc if everyone could help mend Monkey's go-kart. Now what were they doing? They were mending Monkey's go-kart. He asked if they could raise the go-karts again when it was mended. Mr. Croc said it was a very good idea. So everyone helped to mend Monkey's go-kart. Now what are they doing? Everyone is working together as a team. And this time, Monkey listened carefully to all the instructions. Hippo did not have to remind him to check the wheels. He was pleased. He checked the wheels himself. The monkey checked the wheels. Then Little Lion did not have to remind Monkey to check the steering wheel. He was pleased. He checked it himself. Soon it was time to race the go-karts. They again started racing. Yes, everyone was excited. Monkey and Elephant lined up at the start. Mr. Croc told everyone to listen carefully. Now you have to listen carefully to all the instructions. Yes, Mr. Croc said. He told them not to drive too fast round the corner of the swamp. This time, Monkey listened. So you have to listen to all the instructions carefully. Monkey raced hard. But this time he did not go too fast round the corner of the swamp. This time the wheels did not wobble and the steering wheel did not shake. Best of all, the go-kart did not skid. Monkey and Elephant raced over the finish line together. Everyone clapped and cheered. Very good. So what is this book about? The book is about paying attention and listening. When someone is giving you instructions, you have to listen carefully. Otherwise, you will land up in trouble. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Yes.